I need backups on Darcy Street. Triple murder. Suspect possibly armed.
Ruben the Hurricane Carter. Ladies and gentlemen, take note what I'm going to say. This guy is going to be a world champion.
Baby, talk to me, please. My God, they've killed them all.
I didn't do it. I was only robbing the register. I saw them leaving.
One of us better call the cops.
We are looking for a black man. Please, get out of the car.
Anyone you do?
Can you recognize this man? Is this the guy who shot you?
He and the guy.
He said no.
Move closer.
He said no.
Follow me to the police station, please.
He didn't do that. He was with me all the time.
Remember the murder that happened in the bar? We think he might be in a fighter.
I'm not sure.
Don't you forget you are a white man.
Yes, it was him.
The jury found the defendant, Robin Carter, guilty on all counts. For the murders that you committed, you are sentenced to life in prison.
The winner is...
Pistol shots ring out in a ballroom night. Enter Patty Valentine from the upper